Hello, friends. So, welcome to the next session of the number series and the changed planetary energy that we have been talking about. So, today I will be letting you know about the next number, that is number 6. We have already completed 2, 3, and 4. For the time being, I'll be not discussing number 5, it will come a bit later. So today we will be understanding what is number 6 connected with. That is, what is the new planetary energy number 6 has been allotted now. So before that, you should be knowing what it had been carrying, what kind of energy number 6 has been carrying all this while. So yesterday, while discussing about number 4, I mentioned that 4 has been given the energy of Venus. Okay, so the energy of Venus has been given to number 4 now. So do you understand number 6 has been all this while under the Venus energy? So if you know the subject numerology, or if you are aware of people who are good in uh, changing names and all, you will see that they would have been giving you all the numbers that are adding up to 6. Why? Because that's a very good number when it comes to materialistic gain and all. Okay, so all this while we were aware of this thing that 6 is a beautiful number, vibrating the Venus energy. But as I mentioned earlier, the energies are changing now, and all the numbers are now shifting their energies, and the energy of number 6 has been shifted drastically, and you will be taken aback that what a drastic change it has got now. Okay, so all this while people of number 6 had a wonderful time, Venus energy, lot of ideas, creativity, and beautification, glamour. All these things were the main theme of your life. But now, people, 6 people, be prepared. You have been shifted to the energy of Saturn now. So I repeat, 6th number is now connected with the energy of Saturn. How will you understand that, 6 number people? Have you started getting bone issues for the last couple of years? Have you started feeling some problems with your teeth? Are you seeing off and on pain, or are you seeing that things have slowed down in your life a bit? Are you seeing the responsibilities increasing in your life? Are you seeing that you are being called to sacrifice a lot and do things for everyone, and do not be selfish enough to only think about yourself, but think about everyone and then think about yourself? So that's Saturn energy for you people. You have shifted drastically from the Venus energy to Saturn energy. All right. So all those people who have taken birth on the number 6, 15, 24, they all are vibrating under the 6 number, okay, energy. So while the initial date of births are these, that means you are a 6 number person, and you have been all this while vibrating in the Venus energy. But now, since couple of years, the energies have changed, and now you are under the Saturn influence. All right, same ways, if the total of your date of birth comes to 6, then you are now vibrating in the Saturn energy. That is, the destiny is going to work as per the Saturn energy. Are you getting my point? Okay, one thing here I would like to mention. See, in every video I am reminding you this thing, that till this time you turn 37 or 40, the initial number occupies the main focus of your life, and that drives you in your life, and after that the destiny number. But also remember this thing, that it's not that completely the destiny number stays quiet and it doesn't influence you while you are in the initial years, and at the same time, while you are in the after the age of 40, it doesn't mean that the initial date of birth is not influencing you at all. Remember, once you cross 37, 38, after that the initial date of birth is still defining your character, okay? But now your destiny is playing a vital role to run your life. It's like that, okay? So when you analyze it this way, that your character, your sketch is more driven by the initial number, and the destiny is driven by the total number, okay? So while you are you have crossed the 37 mark or 38 mark, definitely your destiny number vibration is taking the front seat, but that doesn't mean the initial number has totally gone, okay? It is definitely still influencing your character somewhere. So remember that. And another thing, I'm sorry, yesterday I forgot to mention, when I was giving you the total of 4, I forgot to mention 31st date. So even 31st date adds up to 4. So 4 people, people who are born on the date 31st of any month also fall into that category, okay? Okay, now coming back to today's 6 total. So yes, many people might think, oh gosh, what was that? From Venus energy straight we are pushed to the Saturn energy. Yeah, there's a reason. See, they say, no, there's a saying we all know, every dog has its day. So in this birth itself, you were first given a merrymaking time. You were given a beautiful time to enjoy all the luxuries of life, okay? And make the most out of your creative talent or whatever. But now the time has come, the new energy says, shift your focus, get back to your responsibilities, wherein you have to be more responsible now. Keep yourself, you have to be more righteous people. I'll tell you, Saturn is misjudged by many people. The Saturn energy is like this, that people are very scared of Saturn energy, but you know, you should not be scared. In fact, Saturn is a planet which can give you lofty things when you are very correct in your dealings, when you are very righteous, when you are truthful, when you do not let any sort of negativity, that is like wrong things, influence your thought process. You are very correct in your relationships, you are very correct in your dealings, you are not into any sort of tricks to make money. It's like that. Saturn is watching you. Saturn is that scanner which will filter everything and give you the fruits of your own karma. So now 6 number people, remember that you have to be extra cautious about your behavior, about your actions, about what you are doing, you are dealing with, because now you are under that influence wherein you are going to create your karma very easily, very fast, and you are going to face the consequences of your karma very soon, because now it's the karmic number. Now 6 has become the karmic number in a way that it will give you immediate results. So while you are doing good in your relationships, while you are very positive, you are thinking about everyone, you will see only good things are happening in your life. You know, you are steadily, you are manifesting, and you are making things work for you in your advantage. But suppose you are in the 6 energy, but you are very self-centered, you are more into that luxury driven, you want to do things for your own self, you want to think about yourself first, you want to ensure that you don't want to compromise on anything, like when it comes to making some decisions, you want to first make things correct for yourself and then do it for others, then definitely Saturn will be like, you are going against that energy. Are you getting my point? Saturn will create some roadblocks till such time you understand the lessons. It is not that Saturn is upset with you, Saturn is punishing you, it's nothing like that, people. It is just that every planet has a role to play. So Saturn gives you more wisdom in a way that It shows you what is right and what is wrong. So when you are um, trying to chase something beyond your capacity, or you are trying to chase something at the wrong time, Saturn will try to pull you back and say that, look boss, this is not the right time. Hold your horses. Give yourself some time. Let the right time come. Meanwhile, try to build up on your confidence. Try to keep your self in such a way that you are prepared to face that time when you can achieve that. So, six number people, I'll suggest that it's like completely from white you have gone to black. Why I'm saying so? Because Venus is connected with the color white and Saturn is connected with the color black. So these are two sides of a coin, we say, no? Where there is light, there is darkness also. So now you have to see the other part of life, that it was very easy. Things were very rosy for you. Things were very happy for you. Six people had a wonderful time. Enjoyment, getting things, everything very properly, easily. You work hard, you get it. But now, even if you work hard, you have to be correct. Okay? It's not that only working hard will fetch you things, but you have to be correct. You have to be very, very righteous and correct in your dealings. You have to ensure that you are not into any wrong kind of dealings. You're not getting into wrong associations wherein like you will be caught up in some mess, because Saturn will immediately drift you to wrong things. If it will ensure that it makes you taste the flavor of things which are incorrect for you at the time, and still you want to deliberately do it, then Saturn would want you to learn the lesson the hard way. Okay, so remember, people who are now vibrating in the number 6, you are vibrating in the Saturn energy. So start doing more of physical activity. You can't afford to sit. Okay, you will have to do a lot of physical activity. Saturn only understands a lot of hard work. You will have to be sweating it out to make your dreams come true, and he will reward you immensely. Okay, so you already have the Venus destiny playing all this while. Now Saturn has come to explain you the importance of hard work, and the importance of relationships, and the importance of how to be loyal and truthful and righteous in your life. It is very important, because even if you think that everything is going smoothly in my life, even if I have gone a bit off the track, so what? Everyone is doing, I am also doing, it's okay, I'll manage. But no, there's someone watching, and now you are under the scanner. So 6 number people, be prepared that you are now under the Saturn energy. Keep yourself very righteous if you don't want health issues, because Saturn will immediately give you bone problems if not going correct. Saturn will give you teeth issues if not going correct. So who will get teeth issues? Who are eating upwards, who are keeping their anger within themselves, and they are brooding from within. So that will come out. Or people who have got a lot of revengeful attitude, or who are very irritated with their life, and they're like, to hell with this person and all. You'll see now you will be given the bone issues and all, because that's the way Saturn is trying to pull you and remind you that go slow. Go slow. There are certain aspects of life which you are ignoring. Do not ignore those. Check those and then move ahead. Alright. So yes, 6 number people, because you are in the Saturn influence, understand this carefully and be more righteous in your life. Saturdays, ensure that you pray to Lord Hanuman, because he will always guide you and give you the strength. Try to be very, very respectful towards people who are into the daily wages job, people who are not in a very good position in life. try to help them as much as possible. Try to help people who are handicapped. Try to help people who are in a lot of pain, because they all are representing Saturn energy. So the more you uplift them and help them, the more you are helping cleanse your Saturn energy. All right. So yes, all the best, 6 number people. Though it's going to be a bit tougher for you now as compared to other times, but don't worry, you will be given all the tools to help you sail through smoothly. So just remember, this is the other side of the coin now you have been shifted to, so that you understand both sides correctly. Because when we are getting everything, we keep getting and we enjoy life, we forget that there is another part wherein it's very difficult for people to make things happen for them. So, what is struggle all about? How people work hard to make their both ends meet? How much they have to take? That part of the story is also very important for you to know. So, yes, this is that shift for you, but you are wise enough to handle this because you already have a wonderful base of 6 influence earlier. So, just make the most of out of it. Okay. So all the best. Take care. So this is Shanchali signing off for today. See you soon with the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Bless you all.